Hello everyone, hello guys, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Amber Options. Please let me know how is the sound and whether you can hear me well. Okay guys, I hope you know how to use the chat box that you can type all your questions, although you cannot talk, because if everyone will start talking, no one will understand anything. So I will be talking and you can type in your questions. So do not hesitate to ask anything what is not clear, or maybe you have some particular questions, about some particular issue. So whatever is on your mind, please let me know. Now, first of all, let me introduce myself. Okay, my name is Michael Frost, and I am will be your coach here at Amber Options. For some of you, it's the first webinar. For some of you, it's not. So, we will get to know each other as we go. So, guys, please tell me who actually attended our previous webinar. Okay, we have few. Anyone else? Okay, so most of you guys are up for the first time. Okay, guys, thank you for your feedback. Now, please tell me, one sec. Okay, now guys, who is just starting trading binary options? I just want to get a general picture, just an impression. How many of you actually have traded binary options before, and kind of what sort of experience? So you can just type yes or no, so I just know what is the general picture. You can type the how long you've been trading or not. Okay, so we have a pretty interesting picture, 50-50. Some people did try it, some didn't. Okay, very good. So I can see some people have quite a nice experience, and some are being quite profitable here, which is good to hear. So I see some of you. Okay, now I have John, $10,000 in 6 weeks, starting with 2,000. Not bad, not bad. I think, yeah. Well, some of you did lost, but guys, of course, there will be those who are losing money and who are winning. Now, the difference is that people who lose money, they actually don't know what they're doing. They're kind of gamblers. They come to play. So if you treat it as a game, it's something that you might win or might not. If you even use the word win or lose, it's not right, because you're not playing. This is a serious financial institution where you actually work to make money. You work, you don't play. So you need to treat it as a job, all right? At the end of the day, you're using your hard-earned money, and you have to respect that. You're not here to play a casino, but you're here to earn good profit, right? I hope most of you are. If you're here to play a casino, it's you better go to casino, because here we are making money. Now, what we will do today is we will go through the website, and I will explain you all the basics, and overall I will show you what the futures you may or may not know, because I can see many of you are quite new to this market. Okay, so I can see. Start with okay. Okay, I see guys use many people. Actually, I wanted to mention that before, that many people are coming to the market and like starting with $500, $250. If you have like $100 or $200 for binary options, I think you just better go and buy yourself a lunch. Buy yourself a lunch, have a nice dinner, and spend it for that. Because in financial markets, you need to start with something bigger. If you want to make money, right, you need to have capital. Money make money. You cannot become rich, you know, by starting with $100. So keep in mind that money will help you a lot to make more money. So the bigger amount you have in your account, the bigger potential you have, the more flexibility you will have in your account. Okay, because with small amounts, once you're losing trades and you're out, you know, and you cannot afford that. You have to stick to a strategy, and in strategies, in all the strategies, there will be a losing streak where you will be losing at some point. But overall, if it's a good strategy, you will recover very fast. And today, guys, I will show you a very nice method, very fast recovery. Although you would need to have some, you know, some capital, but the win ratio is amazing. I mean, you would not probably have even one losing trade with this strategy. So, you know, the more capital you have in your account, the more you can be flexible. So the more strategies you can apply at the same time. Now, guys, please tell me again, yes or no, whoever is familiar with the website interface. So if you need any assistance, I can go through that quickly, you know, so you know what to do. So quickly, yes or no. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks. I get the picture. I get the picture. Very good. So now I will have probably to apologize for those who already know how to use it, but I need to show some other people how to use the website before we get even started. So now, quick introduction on binary options as well, because I see many new people. So again, guys who already have experience, please, my apologies. You will just have to wait 2-3 minutes for my explanation, and then we move forward. So quick introduction on the binary options. The binary options is the most easy to learn and understand financial market in the world. And if you did not know that binary options are just starting to gain popularity, why other financial markets are losing the popularity, you ask me why. Simple, because it's so much easier and much more profitable. Like I will compare it to Forex market. In Forex market, you have to pay commission for your trade. You're using crazy leverage, and you cannot control your risk. So you can lose all your money without even knowing that. You cannot start with very small amounts. To make profit in Forex market, you need to have a big market move. You need the market to move a lot. I don't know, 20, 30, 50 pips. In binary options, you can have a minimal, really small move in your direction, and you're already making money. You know, so that's why it's so much easier. You don't have to predict how much the market will go. You just need to predict whether it will be higher or lower in the specific period of time that you set. So now let me give you an example of how you make a prediction and what markets are available. Now, this is our website, of course, Amber Options. If you did not log into your account, please do, and you will see your name on the top, your balance. I hope, guys, you all have your balance, you know, something of that you can use for trading already. Now, first of all, we'll probably need to start on going to trade now on the top left corner. Now you will see instruments like currencies, indices, stocks, and commodities. Now you can choose these asset classes that you want to trade. You know what is stocks? It's prices of stocks. Most of them will be opening on the American session opening. Now indices, same. Commodities, gold and silver, and currencies. So currencies is the most traded instruments. It's the most traded Forex. Forex is the biggest market actually in the world with a huge volume. It's huge. So we will stick to the currencies because it's easier probably for everyone. Now, what is the minimum starting capital would you suggest, Marcia? Well, it depends. You know, as I told you, if you want to start with $100, $200, $300, it's really small amount for financial market. It's peanuts. Go and buy yourself a lunch, order a pizza, and spend time with a girlfriend or a boyfriend. If you seriously intend to make money, I would at least recommend you to start with $1,000. And believe me, this is not a big amount for this market, and you will make it triple, I don't know, 10 times more if you know what you are doing. Okay. Okay, so I will continue, guys, and then we'll go through more other questions. Okay, just allow me to finish that. So we are going with the current. Now, the main idea is to predict whether the market will be going up or down from the current price, from the current time, until the set time that you specify. So, for example, I have today at 2300, which means you can see on the graph what is the actual time of the graph. Okay, so you can see clearly it's 22 o'clock. Now, if we choose 2300, that would make it the expiry in 50 minutes. So we are making a forecast for the next 50 minutes. I hope it's clear for everyone. If it's not, guys, do not hesitate to ask your questions. You know, I'm here to assist you, so please, you know, don't be shy. Go forward. We will talk that through, and I will explain you everything. So now let's continue. We can see the price. We can see our chart. It's moving up and down. So now we want to make a forecast, as I said, that the price will be higher. We set the time, and 2300. It's exactly 49 minutes from this time, from this moment. Now we need to choose the direction, whether the market will go up or down. What do you think, guys? What do you think will be happening to this currency pair? Will it go up or down in the next 15 minutes? Up, down, 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 up, up. Okay. Okay, so look, both, right? I think this is the good answer, Clark. Both, up and down. Definitely, it will be going up and down. It will be going up and down. But you know, the thing is, the point is that we have no idea. To be honest with you, we have no idea where it's going to go. But we have statistics that tells us if the certain pattern will be met on the chart, it will be going up or down. So there is a criteria, and you can judge according to this criteria, according to this setup on the market, what will be happening next. What is the probability of this happening? Because in reality, you cannot be sure. You know, you cannot be sure about anything in this life, and just this is reality. But you have statistics, and you have probabilities always. So we have the probabilities can be in our favor, or they can be against us. And guys, I will introduce you later on a very nice trading system with a very high probability of success. Although it requires a very nice, you know, it's at a decent amount to start with. We will talk about it a little bit later. You will be amazed about how profitable it can be if you use it wisely. Now, okay, so now we don't know what the market is going to do. We will talk about the analysis a little bit later, and I will explain you how you actually do make a forecast, how you create a prediction, how do you think, the way you think. So now we have to select the direction that we want to choose. In our case, let's make it just a guess, okay? At this point, we will guess that it's going to go up, just for example, right? So our next step is to choose the investment amount. Okay, so we can choose, for example, $1,000, $5,000, whatever. It's example. So I'm just choosing $100. Now, all the details are here in this square because you can see the expiry. So this is our forecast for the next 46 minutes from this moment, and the payout is 80%. We could see that the payout was 80%. You can see next to each and every instrument there is a payout, and we're always interested in the highest payouts. Okay, so we have our 80%. We have the rate. That's the price, the same as is on the chart. And at the time that we click at apply, it will immediately open our trade. It will immediately open the forecast, okay, and it will start calculating. Now I will do that. Okay, so I'm clicking apply, and then you have to approve it. Okay, done. So we have our forecast. You can see it's immediately appearing on the website, right? So you must see it now. Okay, some sound problems, sorry guys. Okay, when does the trade actually start? Is it after apply or after the few seconds it takes to confirm? Okay, the trade takes place after you click apply, straight after. So first of all, not apply, sorry, confirm. So for example, again, we take $100. I will show you guys. You click apply. Okay, if you not click approve, it will not be opened. Your trade will not open. You need to approve it. Okay, let's try it. Okay, and you can cancel it. You can also cancel your trade. So if you don't want it, you see, okay, I don't want the trade. You can cancel it. It's been canceled. Okay, and no, yeah, sorry, you did not need to apply to confirm it for approval, but you can cancel it. So the trade will actually trigger in about 3 seconds. So as again, you can see apply, and it's always 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, trigger. Okay. His sound is back, guys. Can you hear me now? Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, so you saw, yeah, okay. Thank you, guys. Thanks. So many people are supporting. Straight away answer. I like that. I like your involvement, you know. The thing is, I don't like, but that I don't see any questions. I don't believe you guys that it's all crystal clear. So feel free to ask everything. Yes, Freddie, this webinar is being recorded, okay? And once once you are a member of the options, you will have access to the webinars. All the webinars, some of you guys will be having a private one-on-one training. You know, we will develop a custom trading strategies for you and so on. So we will be working one-on-one, okay? But it depends if you will become a member or not. You know, and it will depend on the deposit amount. So if you're serious about this business, you know, we are ready here to help you. We will invest our time in training you, you know, because at the end of the day, it's a win-win situation.